Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix touch ID and passcode missing from settings on your iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all I can show you the issue. So first open the settings. So scroll down, and here you can see this guys. Here you can see this guys, face ID, touch ID and passcode is not showing here. So guys, how can we get back touch ID and passcode in the settings? So guys, before starting the video, please like this video and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos. So guys, what you have to do is simply open the settings app on your iPhone and scroll down, tap on screen time. So here is the screen time, and scroll down again. So here is a content and privacy restrictions. So simply tap on it. So here are the content and privacy restriction settings. So simply scroll down and find passcode changes here. So here it is. So simply tap on passcode changes and tap on allow. So after allowing this, go back. So after close the settings, open settings again. Scroll down now, and you can see guys, touch ID and passcode is now available on in the settings app. So guys, here is the simple solutions to get back touch ID and passcode in your iPhone settings. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.